Okay, in today's class, we will understand how to find the equation of tangent. So what we have done so far in the differentiation, first we understand what is differentiation and how we can find the differentiation, how to apply differentiation. And then we move towards the gradient topic, finding gradient, how to find the gradient of a function. So we understand all the steps of the gradient. Then we done in the previous class to find the turning point or a stationary point, the first topic, and the second is the nature, how to find the nature of that. So this is what we have done so far in the differentiation. This is basically the last topic. Then we will solve the past paper question of uh, differentiation. So in this, what we need to do, again, the concept will be same, that why we apply differentiation, what we need to do. For example, if I have a diagram like this, and I have a line, so this is basically a tangent line. Okay, this is my tangent line, and I have to find the tangent line, and I have to find out the value or find out the equation. Sorry, find out the equation of this tangent. Maya is still not present. Okay, so there are some steps you need to understand how to find the equation of the gradient. So step number one is find dy over dx. That's a basic. You can see in each question we have to apply and find dy over dx. Okay. Then we find the gradient of the tangent. Then the next step we have to make a equation, or we can say that with before equation we need to find out the uh, curve value, equation of curve. Okay, we need to find the constant value, and then we will make a equation. We can say form an equation. So please note down these points. These points are very important points. Quickly note down this point, then we will do the question and we'll see how to solve and find out. Quickly, boys. When you are done, tell me. Yes, all of you. Listen to me or not?
1 second, doing.
Okay.
Done.
Yes. What about other two students?
Done.
Oh, great. Yes, Mustafa.
One
Yes.
moment.
Quickly, quickly. Yes, Mustafa,
Okay.
quickly.
Finish.
Okay, now we'll do one question related to this topic and we'll see how to solve this question. Question number 1. Find the equation of the tangent to the graph of y is equal to 18 minus 3x minus x square at x equal to 4. Give your answer in y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, so this is the question. Find the equation of the tangent to the graph of y is equal to 18 minus 3x minus x square at x equal to 4. So the first step is to find out the dy upon dx. So the dy upon dx of this question will give me dy over dx is equal to minus 3 minus 2x. This is the dy over dx of this equation. We have done a lot of steps how to find dy over dx, so I will not again and again show you how to do this. Now you can see that now we need to find out the gradient. We have already learned how to find gradient. They have given x equal to 4. So I have to put the value x in this equation. So this will give me the gradient. Gradient is mostly represented by m. Okay. So minus 3 minus 2. I will put 4 here. D over dx is equal to minus 3 minus 8. So m, that is representing gradient, is minus 11. So this is basically a gradient. So we got the gradient m is equal to minus 11. Now the next step is to find the constant value. What is constant? Now I will show you the constant. You can see they given that in the question that give your answer in y is equal to mx plus c. M is basically a gradient, c is constant. So if we want to find out the equation of tangent, we have to find out these two values, gradient and constant. Now how we can find the constant? Listen to me very carefully. I will write m is equal to y is equal to mx plus c. The value of m is minus 11 x plus c. Right now, if I want to find out the value, if I want to find out the value of c, then it's important to I have a value of x and y. The value of x is already given in the question, that is 4, but I don't have a value of y. Listen to me very carefully. We got the gradient. I hope there is no confusion. Everything is clear till gradient?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what I did, I just put the value of m, that is minus 11, and I have to find out the value of c, that is constant. But I don't have a value of y. X is already given, that is 4, so I can put here 4. So this will become y is equal to minus 44 plus c. But the issue is that I don't know what is the value of y. Because if I know the value of y, then I will get the value of c. So how to find the value of y? You can see that in the question, they have given y is equal to 18 minus 3x minus x square. And the value of x is 4. So we have done this process previously, that we put the value of x in the question and then we got the value of y. The value of y will become, I think, minus 10. I will check. 18. This will be minus 12. This will be 16. So 18 minus 12 is 6. 6 minus 16. So the value of y is minus 10. So now I will put minus 10 here. Minus 44 plus c. Minus 44 will go to other side and will become positive 44. So the value of c is 34. So we got the two values that is required in this question. We got m, that is gradient, minus 11. We got c, that is 34. Now we need to find out the equation. So that's a simple. Write down the equation. Y is equal to mx plus c. Just put the value. M is minus 11. and C is 34. This will be your final answer. This is the equation of tangent. So please write down the question and write down the solution. And then if you have confusion, you can ask me. Quickly, boys, write down the question.
Sir, so what would
Yes,
be
Qasim.
the final equation?
Final equation is this. We got the value of C and M. We put the value of M and C in the equation. So this is the final answer.
Okay.
Please quickly write down the solution in your notebook.
Done.
Done. Whole solution?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Quickly write down the solution quickly.
Sir, who are we waiting for?
I think Mustafa and Qasim are doing.
Sir, I'm already done.
Oh, sorry. But that you've done?
Yes, sir. I said I'm done.
Okay, then Mustafa, why you are not answering me?
Sir, I'm already done.
All of them done? Hold on. I didn't listen, maybe. Okay. Okay. So we have done this. Is there any question? Any question? All of you think? Any issue in this question you have, so you can ask me.
No, sir.
Okay, great. If you don't have any question, that's great. Okay, so now next question for all of you. Try this question. Tell me what is the final answer. What are the equations, especially? So the question is, we have done now the topics of differentiation is completed. I will recheck one more time if there are any remaining in the flow. But right now, as I remember, the topic has been completed. Find the equation of tangent to the graph of y is equal to x square plus 4x minus 18 at x equal to 3. Give your answer in y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, quickly, all of you then try this one. Then we will share the answers. Okay, boys, quickly try this one.
Sir, we just have to put the values in, right?
No, we have to do the same process that we have done. Find dy upon dx, then the values of x and y, then the values of c, then you have to find out gradient. It's the same thing you have to do.
Done.
Oh, well done. Very quick. What about others? What equation you got? Can you tell me the equation?
Y equals to 22x minus 5.
Minus 5?
Oh, I said 45.
Okay, 45. Amaya, where are you? You late. You joined very late. Please be on time. Yes, Amaya.
Yes, sir.
Why you are late today?
Sir, my tab wasn't working.
Okay. So what we have done so far, I am repeating. So please listen to me carefully. So today is the last topic of differentiation. That is, find the equation of tangent. Okay. So right now we need to understand how to find the equation of tangent. So we have some steps. That is, find dy upon dx is the first step. Then we find the gradient of the tangent, and then we find the constant value, and then we form the equation. We learned this step, how to find dy upon dx, how to find gradient of tangent. So first, what is the question? Find the equation of the tangent to the graph of y is equal to 18 minus 3x minus x square at s equal to 4. Give your answer in y is equal to mx plus c. The first step, what I did, I just find dy upon dx. This is dy upon dx. Okay, that is minus 3 and minus 2x. Oh my god, am I again leave it? She's doing.
Sir, I took out the value of m. I'm a little bit confused
What
on
is
the
the value of m?
22x.
22x?
Sorry, 22. Yeah, 22.
Okay. So Maya, the first step is we have find dy upon dx. Then we find gradient. How we find gradient? We just put the value of x in the equation. So we find gradient, that is minus 11. Now the next step is to find out the constant value. Constant value is basically c. We know the value of m, that is minus 11. We know the value of x, that is 4. That is already given in the question. We need to find out the value of c, but we don't know the value of y. So for this, what we need to do, this is a question. We put the value of x in the question. So we get the value of y, that is minus 10. So now I put minus 10 replacing y. So I get the value of c, 34. Now the last step is to put the values. M is minus 11 and c is 34. So this will be our final answer. That's what we have done so far in this class. And this is a question for you. And this is the final answer. Yes, Zaid and Qasim, you got the same answer or not?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What about Mustafa? Amaya, try this one, please, quickly.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Mustafa, I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, I'm writing one more question. Try one more question. Mustafa, still I'm waiting. I haven't listened what you're saying. As Mustafa leave. I don't know what they're doing. Now, one more question. Find the equation of tangent to the graph.
Sir, I'm getting the value for y is 13.
Okay,
So how is it 45?
that's the value of c. This is the c value, not y.
That's the value. Oh,
So be careful. Okay, quickly try this one. Those who have done the part question 2, please try this one. We have to just go through and practice this topic and we will end the class. Today we will end the class earlier. Okay. Inshallah, we will compensate that time in the next class. So, okay.
MashaAllah.
Someone is very happy. Quickly, quickly. Yes, Amaya. If you have any confusion, you can ask me.
No, sir.
Okay, please tell me the answer of question 3. I'm waiting. Mustafa, Amaya.
Sir, I got y is equal to 3a square x minus 2a cube.
No, what
Two
you
a
find?
cube.
What you find? First, we need to find derivative dy over dx. Can you please tell me, Maya, what is dy over dx you got? Yes, quickly.
Sir, I got 3x square.
And just 3x square. Yes, Maya. Hello. Just 3x square you got.
No, sir, just a second.
Just tell me the proper answer. 3x square and 3x square and Maya, that's a very
3x
serious
square,
issue. Yes,
3x square minus 8x plus 4.
yes. Finally, the correct answer. Now, what is the next step? So step number 1. We need to find gradient. How we can find gradient? Can you tell me?
We would
What we got?
write y is equal to, we can replace x with
Not y is equal to. We have to put the value of x in this derivative. That is slope m. This will be 4 square. This will be 4 plus 4. 4 square is 16. 8 4 the 32. And 16 3 the 48. So 48 minus 16 plus 4. So what this will become? 3 6 the 48. Okay, I'm correct. 6 48 48. 8 4 the 32, not 16. What I did.
Yeah, I'm set. I'm done. I have the equation.
Same.
Just wait. 8 minus 32 plus 4. So this was 16 plus 4. So the gradient will be 20. Yes, Amaya, Mustafa, Zaid, Qasim. Understand?
Yes.
yes, sir.
Yes, Amaya, especially you. Is everything clear? How we get? Okay, great. Yes, Mustafa, you haven't said anything. Is everything clear?
Yes, I got the answer.
Don't know, your voice is not coming. Okay, so the m is we got 20. Now we need to find out. Okay, great. Now we need to find out the value of y. So I will write the question again. The question is x cube minus 4x square, x cube minus 4x square plus 4x. This is the question. And the value of x is 4. So I will write 4 to find out the value of y. So what is the value of y you got?
16.
16. So value of y is 16. Now we need to find out the value of constant. Y is equal to mx plus c. 16, that is 20. X is 4 plus c. So 24, so we have 80. 80 will goes to other side and it will be subtract. So final answer we will got 64 minus 64. This is the value of c. Now we got the value of m and c. So now the last step is just to put the value. This is 20 and this is negative 54. So this will be our final answer. Yes, student.